Good afternoon, Fitchburg. On Friday, April 3rd, Governor Baker signed into law an act to address challenges faced by municipalities and state authorities resulting from COVID-19. Over the course of this week, city departments have been working with state agencies and associations to understand, develop, and implement the finance provisions contained in that bill. I'm happy to report the following. Real estate and personal property tax that are traditionally due on May 1st have been extended to June 1st. Real estate exemption applications that are traditionally due on May 1st have also been extended to June 1st. Interest and fees have been waived for excise tax commitments that were due between March 10th and June 30th if paid by June 30th. Interest and fees have been waived for real estate and personal property tax bills due on May 1st if paid by June 30th. And interest has been waived for water and sewer bills that were due between March 16th and June 30 if paid by June 30. If you have any questions regarding this, please contact the Treasurer's Office at 978-829-1830. I'd like to once again thank the Governor, his administration, and our state delegation for acting quickly on this legislation in order to provide relief to municipalities such as Fitchburg. As of 11 a.m. today, there were a total of 79 positive COVID-19 cases in Fitchburg, of which 18 are now on the road to recovery. As always, please continue to practice social distancing, good hygiene, and please stay home if you're not feeling well, as well as call your primary care physician. The state and federal government have been reporting that today marks the first day for the next 2 weeks where healthcare providers will experience a rise in the number of positive COVID-19 cases. I urge everyone to play their part and stay home. We must work together so that hospitals can focus on those patients who are most in need of their help. A friendly reminder to residents with the upcoming spring weather: yard waste pickup begins on April 20th. Please remember to bring yard waste out to the curb the evening before your traditional trash pickup day. Our Father's House, as reported in yesterday's Sentinel and Enterprise, has been working with city departments to make preparations to provide shelter for those that are housing insecure. With the assistance of MEMA, FEMA, New Creation Community Church, and the owner of the property, Pirafico, it has been a coordinated effort to bring this project to fruition, which opened yesterday. Thank you to all who made this possible. Furthermore, I would like to recognize the Longsjo Foundation for their generous $8,000 donation to help our Father's House provide these much-needed services. The City of Fitchburg is very fortunate to have available to the public parks and trails that are great opportunities for residents to get out of the house, exercise, and enjoy nature. At this time, basketball courts have been causing frequent gatherings of people not practicing social distancing. For this reason, basketball courts will be closed to the public until the COVID-19 state of emergency is lifted. Please remember, when using our parks and trails, to practice carry in and carry out with trash. Limit group sizes to less than 10 people, stay 6 feet apart from others, and be respectful of the park and other users. Fitchburg Public Library staff have joined the battle to fight the spread of COVID-19 by assisting hospitals and other healthcare workers with face masks and face shields. Utilizing the library's 3D printers, The library is creating face shields, while other staff members have been actively sewing masks. Thank you to all. This weekend marks an important holiday that in its traditional celebration brings people together through church services with music, candlelight, flowers, and the ringing of church bells. It draws symbolic parallels of sacrifice and rebirth. As we go forward to celebrate Easter this weekend, individually from our homes, let us remember the sacrifices of essential staff and their families that they have made, so that we all can bring about the healing of our community and the Commonwealth of Massachusetts as soon as possible. God bless us all, and thank you.